Yo, what up, guys? Josh Diaz here with the video. We're going to be unboxing and trying on the iPhone 13 Pro Max Silicone Case. This is the Bluejay cover. For the past few months, I have been using the clear case. And review-wise, just a quick 5-second review. It has been good. I do like the clear to show off the color of the iPhone. Some people don't like this MagSafe ring. I like it. It kind of differentiates the case from other cases. I like the touch. Here on the bottom, we don't have any coverage here. It's kind of yes and no for me. The part that I don't like is that my thumb kind of rests on that edge, so it kind of can get uncomfortable after a while. So I'm hoping that with the silicone case, this part is all covered. So I'm hoping maybe that could alleviate some of the pain. As far as durability, there is, I don't know if you could see it, there is a slight little crack right here. I did drop it. So there's a crack there, and little scuff marks here and there. But it's been overall good. And the buttons are kind of hard to press on this one. So I'm hoping with the silicone case, that could be, I'm hoping with this case, that could be fixed. So here we go. This is the Bluejay color. Shout out Toronto. And the thing with this also, with the colors, it's kind of hard to find cases that go well with the Sierra blue. I don't know, this one was the black goes, but a lot of the other colors, they're kind of hard to match. So one thing I do like is this kind of felt interior here. I do like that. You do see the MagSafe ring, which is good. And here we go, what I was talking about. The bottom is fully covered, whereas in the clear case, you have that opening. So, I mean, already kind of feels nice and smooth on the pinky. It's not hurting the pinky at all. And it does feel good. It has grip. And another thing too, it kind of slid out my pants pocket a lot when I would be sitting down. It would slide out. So I'm hoping with the silicone that could fix that. Let's see if I get that animation. No, I didn't get the animation. All right, so here is the Bluejay case with the Sierra blue. I kind of like it. It's two different blues. Can we focus, cameraman? There we go. It's two different blues. I kind of like the look. And it does feel good, not too slippery. Oh, the buttons already, I could tell they're way easier to press. Very clicky on this one. So that is a huge plus for me already. On this one, even after a few months of use, the buttons on the side were kind of hard to press. But we got the bottom covered there. And we got the raised lip for that screen protection, which is good. So this is going to be my new, daily case. See how it is. But thanks for watching. I'll check you guys later. Peace.